Hey, it's Ryan with Absolute Mortgage.
And Lawton with Hometown Advisor Real Estate. We want to quickly highlight the benefits of appreciation and how powerful owning a home can be over time. Appreciation is the concept that something purchased today at a certain price may be worth more tomorrow, and even more the day after that, and so on and so on.
Based on historical appreciation stats in this area, a house purchased today at $350,000 will be worth over $650,000 in 2029. Let's take a moment to break that down. If you put 3% down on a $350,000 purchase, you'll have a mortgage of $339,500. Each month when your payments due, a portion of that money goes to reducing the principal balance you owe on the property. At the same time, your property should be growing in value from appreciation. While you're chipping away at that $339,500 mortgage, your property will also becoming more valuable, increasing your net worth. Appreciation is one of the strongest tools in building your net worth over time.
Let us know if you have any questions about this. We would love to talk with you and help you take advantage of this appreciation.
Have a great day.
Talk with you soon.